Good morning, students. Our next problem is find the value of y if the line joining the points 3 comma y and 2 comma 7 is parallel to the line joining the points minus 1 comma 4 comma 0 comma 6. That means the line passing through these 2 points and the line passing through these 2 points are parallel. That means we can get an idea. If you follow the concepts, we can get an idea. That is nothing but these two lines are parallel means the slope of this line is equal to slope of this line. If you know the points on the line, slope is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If we equate the slopes, we can get the value of y. That means 7 minus y by 2 minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 4 by 0 minus of minus 1. So 7 minus y by 2 minus 3 means minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 4 means 2 by 0 minus of minus 1 is 1. So 7 minus y is equal to minus 1 transpose that side minus 2. So y transpose this side and 2 transpose this side, that gives 7 plus 2 is equal to y. So y is equal to 9. That is the answer for that question. Next question is find the slopes of the lines. First one parallel and perpendicular to the line passing through 6 comma 3 and minus 4 comma 5. Let us consider these are the 2 points. This is the straight line passing to this one. He is asking to find the line which is parallel to this line. So parallel to this line means slope of this line is equal to slope of this line. Okay, so that means slope of this line is nothing but what? If you know the 2 points, difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. That means 5 minus 3 by minus 4 minus 6. 5 minus 3 means 2 by minus 4 minus 6 means minus 10. That is equal to minus 1 by 5. Let us say some m. Okay, so now he is asking second question, perpendicular to the line passing through same line. Okay, perpendicular line means let us say this is the perpendicular line. So the slope of, if you know the slope of this line is m, then the slope of the line which is perpendicular to the given line is nothing but minus 1 by m. Okay, so slope of second question is here, the slope of the line which is perpendicular to the line passing through these 2 points is nothing but minus 1 by m. So minus 1 by m means what is here? Minus 1 by, here m means minus 1 by 5. If you take the reciprocal 5, this minus minus get cancelled. So answer is 5. Next question. If theta is an, next concept here, if theta is an angle between two non-vertical lines having slopes m1 comma m2, then tan theta is equal to plus or minus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, where m1 m2 is not equal to minus 1. If m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, it is undefined. Very very important. That's why here m1 m2 is not equal to minus 1. That means here m1 m2 are non-perpendicular lines. Okay, product is equal to minus 1 means perpendicular lines. So non-perpendicular lines it should be. Then only the formula for angle between those two lines is equal to plus or minus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, where m1 and m2 are the slopes of the given line. Okay, so let theta 1 comma theta 2 be the very important formula. Okay, let theta 1 comma theta 2 be the inclinations of the lines having slopes m1 comma m2 respectively. If theta comma theta 2 are the inclinations, and you just give the slopes are denoted with m1 comma m2. So let us take the coordinate axis, and this is the line and this is also one more line. If these two lines intersect at this point, whatever may be, so this, let us consider angle between these two lines is some theta. Okay, then we have to say tan theta is equal to plus or minus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. First we are going to prove m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So this plus or minus gives, if theta is acute you get plus, if theta is obtuse you get minus. That means theta is less than 90 positive, greater than 90 you get negative. So just to prove, first m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So here so these two are intersecting lines, so theta 2 is equal to, here also this is also theta 2, because vertical opposite angles. Now this theta 1 is nothing but exterior angle, and theta 2 theta are the opposite interior angles. So this is the triangle. So theta 1 you can say theta plus theta 2 according to this figure. So now we are going to prove tan theta is equal to something. So both sides, first you make theta a subject, theta is equal to theta 2 transpose theta 1 minus theta 2. So now we want tan theta. So both sides apply tan function. Tan theta is equal to tan of theta 1 minus theta 2. You just remember one formula. So in trigonometry you get it. Tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So actually we didn't discuss about trigonometry. After trigonometry you get all these formulas until you just remember whenever if we give any formula for you. Okay, just remember. So now according to this formula, here a means theta 1, b means theta 2. So tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2 by 1 plus tan theta 1 into tan theta 2. So here if you give the, for theta 1 inclination straight line, slope is m1, for theta 2 inclination straight line is m2. So that means here tan theta 1 is m1 and tan theta 2 is m2. So substitute in the place of tan theta 1 m1, tan theta 2 m2. So that means m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So plus or minus gives when theta is obtuse minus, when theta is acute plus. So next one, whenever if theta is an acute angle between two non-vertical lines having slopes m1 m2, if he is asking to find out acute angle, you just keep modulus for this one. Okay, for suppose so m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, if this ratio gives negative, so that means tan theta is negative. So if theta is acute, tan be positive only. So to avoid that negativeness, keep the modulus. So tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. And if you know the one angle theta, then another angle is nothing but 180 minus theta. See here, if theta is one angle between two lines, then the other angle is phi minus theta. Usually, the acute angle between two lines is taken as the angle between the lines. Generally, if he is asking find the angle between the given lines, means we have to find out acute angle. Acute angle means we have to keep modulus for the formula. That means tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So if you know that theta, then other angle is this one only. So this is linear pair. Linear pair means if you know one angle, another angle is nothing but phi minus theta. So that is only I gave the note. Okay. So based on this one, you take one example. Find the angle between the lines AB and BC where A 0, minus 1, B 2, 1, C 0, 3. That means he is asking to find out. They given 3 points. First we have to find out slope of AB and slope of BC. Then we can find the angle between these two lines AB and BC. So slope of AB is denoted with some m1. So AB means these two are the points. 1 minus of minus 1 by 2 minus 0, that is equal to 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. Slope of BC is, so these 2 points use 3 minus 1 by 0 minus 2 denoted with some m2. m2 is equal to 3 minus 1 by 0 minus 2, that is equal to 2 by minus 2. 2 by minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So if you understand here, m1 and m2 is m1 into m2. If you multiply 1 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. So if m1 into m2 product of the slopes is equal to minus 1, means the given two lines AB and BC are nothing but perpendicular lines. If you want to use the perpendicular means 90 degrees, 5 by 2. If you want to use the formula, so tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2. That means 1 minus of minus 1 by 1 plus 1 into minus 1. Denominator becomes to 0. So when tan function is undefined, theta is equal to 90. So these are the problems based on the given concepts. So next concept we will discuss in next video. Okay.